two-wheelers around the world. We come to you today from Jerby Day on the north of the Isle of Man, and it is a jam-packed day full of so much fun, of classic bikes, of sidecars, of classic chats and classic people. This is a yearly and annual event that we always come along and support because we've got some fantastic people, fantastic machinery here, and just at the minute out on their practice session are the classic bikes. The schedule today is so full of so much fun, and you're going to join us along the way. We've got racing, we've got parade laps with some legends, we've got so much coming up. So you're going to join us throughout the day, and I'm going to be enjoying it with you. So two-wheeling classics enthusiasts around the world, we're here at Jerby Day. Hello two-wheelers around the world. I managed to catch up with David Bardwell here as I've feasted my eyes on these two beauties. And David, you've ever so kindly offered to share some knowledge and the story behind them.
Well, I raced sidecars in the late 60s, early 70s, and a chap called Tom Kirby had these bikes in the paddock, and they were always immaculate like this, and I thought from those days I'll have one myself. So I started building it. It's basically a 1972 race Rickman frame. The engine's special in the sense that it's got an 850 head on what's essentially a 140 bottom end, and it goes really well. I took it round the parade lap on the Isle of Man in 2018 and again 2019, and it was the ride of my life because I got off that bike having taken about 25 minutes to get round. Now I know it's not a race, but the red mist comes down and you've got to go for it. 25 minutes is 80 miles an hour, and I was rather pleased with 80 miles an hour, and I've had it ever since. But then I got sidetracked into doing this because at the same time as the racing, the Rob North Rocket 3s, the BSAs and the Triumph Tridents had come about. They were being raced in the Easter match races, for those that remember that. So I bought the frame, and I'd already got an engine, bought all the parts to put it together, and I've re-engineered everything that I was supplied with to produce this. Probably took me about 4 years on and off with various problems, but I did eventually get it running, and sadly we can't do the parade lap round the Isle of Man anymore. They've stopped us doing it, which I'm really disappointed by, because I originally was going to build that bike to do the parade lap, but now I can't do it. So I brought it here today just to parade around, and it's a great ride. Took it to Spa last year. It's essentially a 750 with all the race bells and whistles and a replica of the 1970s BSAs. Goes incredibly well, sounds wonderful, and sticks to the road like the proverbial. It's fantastic.
I have to say, we've interviewed a guy that looks just like you. Have you got a brother?
Yes.
Okay. Has he got bikes?
Stubbly beard.
Yeah, I'm sure we've interviewed him about his bikes as well.
Stroke of bad luck, isn't it? Hey, fancy it. Fancy
the
ugly one. That can't be right, can it?
We waited best till last. Well, listen, thank you for showing these, and we look forward to you firing it up. If that's okay, not too much trouble.
Whenever you want.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Two-wheelers, caught up here with Luke McKinley because he took this bad boy out before for a little run, and it sounded absolutely tremendous. What fun you must be having on this. So fill us in on the bike, Luke.
Yeah, so it's 1966 Ducati 250 Desmo. It was owned by Colin Hardman. The owners asked me to take it out for a little spin today. Former Manx Grand Prix bike. Hasn't been raced since the 70s. But yeah, it's really good fun, and it's surprising, for an old bike how well it does go. So hopefully later on we'll get out on it again. It's good.
Former Manx Grand Prix bike, how cool is that? So what year was it in the Manx Grand Prix?
Early 70s, that's all I know. I think the last time it was used was 72, but you'll have to check with the owner on that one.
Okay.
But yeah, first time for me racing or riding a classic race bike. Yeah, really great fun. Not too dissimilar to the old 1975 Honda 400 that I've got there. That's my own, and then I've got the race bike out here today. So good weather, good bikes.
Isn't it?
Can't beat it, can you?
So fill us in on your Honda. So you've obviously worked on this, spruce this stunner up. Fill us in on the bike.
Yeah, so I've had the bike since 2016. I bought it as a restoration job. Took me about 9 months to restore, and since then I've used it as a road bike. Does get used, so I go out on it throughout the summer. Not rainy days, but it's great on a day like today. You can come out, bring it out on track as well, and stretch its legs a bit, see what it does. Yeah, it's good.
And red, brilliant. Honda and Ducati though, I mean, they must feel so different out there, taking around the track. It must be a completely different feeling.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, obviously we've got 4-cylinder there, and then the single cylinder. One of the biggest differences is obviously that doesn't have a silencer, and that does. So you got to make sure the earplugs are in when you're riding this one. But yeah, there's 9 years between the two bikes, but it does feel a bit of a space age difference between them. It's that it's so more agricultural, the old single cylinder, but it's a great little bike to ride. It really is.
It sounds tremendous, so please make sure you stay tuned to the content so you can get a slice of the action from this heading out around the track. So you got one race heading out there today?
So yeah, I'm in 2 races. So I'm in the Clubman and the lightweight on the race bike. It's a bit of a one-off that I built myself. It's quite good. And then just parade in the others. So yeah, really good day, good weather. Can't beat it, can you?
What a turnout it is as well.
So
isn't there? So Luke, listen, enjoy it all. We look forward to seeing you back out there and seeing the racing going on as well, and the parade. And thanks for bringing it, really, and sharing it with the paddock. So
thanks very much.
Here's our race leader. Here he is, far side of the circuit, in control of this one. He's dropping down there now, heading towards Nance. I think he is. He's double check. Oh, is this him here already? He means, I think it is. Yeah, this is him.
First, second and third across the line. Bone with a 1:38. 82.829, that time. This is Lady second. And 36 Hegginson. And their battle's going all the way down the field. Jamal, 1 right back.
So that was Jerby Day, and we had a fantastic day checking in with all the Two Wheeling Classics bikes, chats, people. It was wonderful. The sun's still shining. They've still got some more of the modern bikes going out. It's been a really successful event. It's been an absolute pleasure for us to attend here, and we can't wait to share all of the content with you. So for now, from Jerby Day 2025, it's Two Wheeling Classics. Relive the passion.